Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine with your family and learning something new every day. I hope you have seen the earlier parts of this chapter. Now in this one, we are going to see the sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors. It is also known as the new Cartesian sign convention. This you might have studied in maths. Here we take the two axes as x and y axis. Now this is the mirror and this is the center of the mirror, which is known as the pole. The distance towards left side, this side, are always taken negative, and distance towards the right side are taken as positive. You know this in x and y axis, positive side and negative side. The same is followed here also, and height upwards are taken as positive and downwards are taken as negative. Okay, so this is the direction of incident ray. All of you know that we place the object on the left side of the mirror, so it is the distance of the object from the mirror is denoted by u, and it is always negative. Okay, and distance of the image, if it is formed on the left side, it is also negative, or if it is virtual, it will be positive. Okay, height upwards, if the image is virtual, so it is erect, so we take the height as positive, and if it is downwards, means for real image, we take it as negative. Okay, for real and inverted image is negative. So we follow this sign convention. Here the object distance we denote by small u, image distance we denote by small v, and focal length is denoted by f. We'll see in the next slide. I hope this is clear with you. Now this is the mirror formula. F denotes focal length, U denotes object distance, and V image distance. So the mirror equation, which we are going to use for solving some numericals based on this. So it is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, right? So keep this in mind. Next is magnification of mirror. Now you know that mirrors form magnified image, so it is taken as the ratio of the height of image to the height of the object. Okay, so magnification M, it is given by the formula height of the image divided by height of the object, in short HI, or we also take it as H dash, and HO, height of object, or simply H. So by this formula we can find the magnified or magnification produced by the mirror, right? Or it is also given by the formula minus V upon U. You remember this one also, M is equal to HI upon HO, or it is also equal to minus V upon U, right? Now this is important. So if there is a negative sign in the magnification, it shows that the image is real. Okay, and if a positive sign is there in magnification, then it shows that the image is virtual. So keep this in mind to put the correct sign. Okay, we'll see further topics in the later videos. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.